Hello guys, this is Dr. Possibility from Excel Academy. Please make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure that you register with Excel Academy. In this video, I am focused on my part 14 of Histology revision. Please make sure that you watch my part 1 to part 13. Let's quickly get started. So in this question, we have been asked to name the tissue. So if you look at this tissue, it is just the adipose tissue, specifically the brown adipose tissue. State the function of this tissue. So this tissue plays a role in in thermoregulation of babies, and this helps to offset large heat loss, and also it prevents lethal hypothermia. Then label the part indicated by an arrow. The part indicated by an arrow is simply the nucleus. Let's quickly move on and look at the next question. The next question, we have been asked to label the part marked with A and B. So if you look at the part which is marked by A, these are just Mount lobed cells, and these cells are the neutrophils. Then if you look at B, B is simply the platelets. Let's quickly move on and look at the next slide. So the next slide is name the tissue, of which is just the compact bone, and label the part indicated by letters. A is simply the canaliculum, and then B, it is the lamella, and C is just the Haversian canal. Let's quickly move on and look at the next slide. So the next slide is name the tissue. So if you look at this tissue, this is just the fetal finger. Label the part indicated by the letter. So if you look at A is just the zone of ossification. B is the zone of hypertrophy. Then C is the zone of calcification. Then D is just the synovial cavity. Please make sure that you know how to identify it and how to label it. Let's quickly move on and look at the next slide. Name this tissue. So this tissue is just the compact bone, specifically the rib. Give two reasons. The first reason you can give is presence of the Haversian system, each consisting of concentric lamella enclosing the Haversian canal. Then the last one is the osteocytes are located in the lacuna. So ladies and gentlemen, make sure that you know how to label, and make sure that you also know how to identify. Name the tissue. So if you look at this tissue is just simply the fetal finger. Give two reasons. The first reason is the epithelium are made up of hyaline cartilage. If you observe very well, you can see some hyaline cartilages there. Then two, you can say the chondrocytes are small and scattered randomly and do not have well-developed lacuna. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. This was Dr. Possibility from Excel Academy, and make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel.